Hey guys, what's good? Welcome to Web Hustle TV, my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to introduce you guys to the safest and legal way to invest your money right here in Nigeria. And before we get right into this video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification button, because what we do in this channel here is give money making tips and how to make money online in Nigeria and the rest of the world, and the safest and best way. Now in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to the safest way to invest your money online and save your money. And as you can see, it says the best way to save and invest. PiggyVest helps over 2 million customers achieve their financial goal by helping them save and invest with ease. Now this is the website I'm talking about, guys. It is a Nigerian website that was created over like 5 years ago. You can get it on your iPhone on the Apple App Store, and you get it on your Android on the Play Store, or you can just visit their website. The link to their website will be in the description box below. When you use that link, when you register with the link in the description box below, you will get 1,000 naira immediately you register as a sign-up bonus. But if you don't use that link, guys, you are not going to get any 1,000 naira. As simple as that. You can try it and see. When you use the link, you get 1,000 naira instantly. Now in this website there are 5 ways to build your savings. You can earn 5% to 50% interest when you save with any of the PiggyVest plan. Now we have automatic saving. Now what this automatic saving is that, let me open it, guys, so that you will see. I don't know why it's saying on internet. Let me check my connection. Okay, let me reload it. Now what this automatic saving is that it's a saving. When you're registering, after you register and you put your card details, you can save it to be withdrawing money from your bank, and the amount you should withdraw, maybe it's every day you should be withdrawing 100 naira from your bank and saving your piggy bank, or every month you should withdraw 1,000 naira from your bank and save it in piggy bank. And every year there's a percentage interest that's been added to your account. As you can see, it says choose between automatically daily, weekly, or monthly savings. Once you choose, our system does the rest for you. You are in control and can always change your setting anytime. Save on the go. Don't fancy automatic saving? No problem. You can manually top up your piggy bank savings at any time, anyway. Like if you are the kind of person that does not want automatic saving, that you should automatically withdraw the money from your bank account, then don't worry, you can manually save your money on PiggyVest. Now build discipline. With 4 free withdrawal days in the year, you are less tempted to spend your savings and meet your savings goal faster, guys. Now there's also one here. It says save periodically, automatically or manually. You can also save as you go on your terms. You are the boss of your own savings, guys. And they have over 2.5 million plus customers on this website that have saved and invest their money on this website. Guys, this website is very, very legit. I also saved my money too. I'm going to log in to show you now. Let me log in on my account so you see how the dashboard look like. Let me sign in. This is the saver of the month. Every month we shine our spotlight on one saver, asking them questions about our saving culture and how the product is specifically helping them shape how they spend. This is the one who saves a lot a month. Is the saver of the month on PiggyVest. Now let me head over to sign in, so that I'll sign in on my website. Here's my website, guys. Here is mine. Here's mine. You can see it's 3,000 naira in my savings account. Now once I put my debit card and I said that every day it should withdraw 100 at least, no, not at least, a specific amount, that is 100 naira from my bank account every day and impute it in this saving account. Every day when I check here, maybe I set it by 6 o'clock. Every day when I come in by 6 o'clock, I'll be debited 100 naira and it will be moved to this savings account. Now anytime I want to withdraw my money back, I can withdraw my money, my saved money back. And they also have investments. Let me head over to the investments side so that you can see. The expected return on investment is up to 25% per annum. It's not like all those scam websites, like all those one that you guys do in Nigeria that will promise you to pay 100% return on investment in 24 hours. This one is 25% return on investment per annum. Per annum means per year. Now when I click on invest now, you see you can invest in okay, this one is sold out. This is sold out. All these are sold out because there are many investors that are investing. Let us move to fixed income. Oh, all these ones are sold out too. Okay, let me move to real estate. Investing in much real estate. Let me move to agriculture. Now you can invest your money in cashew nut. You can invest your money in cassava farm investment. You can invest your money in sweet potato farm investment, cattle head stock. You can invest your money in sesame seed farm investment, maize in Ogun State, poultry farm investment, mixed crop investment, poultry farm in southwest Nigeria, rice farm investment, guys. These are places where your money will be taken to be invested in. When you put your money there and you choose maybe rice investment, your money will be invested in rice. It is to buy this, maybe the seed of rice plant, and when they've harvested, you'll be giving your 25% return on investment, guys. When we move over to transportation, let us see what we have in transportation. Transportation. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new and like the video. Now you can see fixed income investment in transportation. You can also invest your money in transportation too. And this website is very, very, very legit. Not the website, the company, so to say, sorry, it's the company. The company and the websites. Well, the website is the company, so they are very, very legit, guys. Let me head over back to my home page and show you guys. Now I know you might be wondering, what is this flex dollar, total investment, flex naira, and the rest. No, when you register with the link in the description below, you are going to understand more what I'm talking about. And to register is very, very easy. When you click on the link in the description below, it will take you over to this page. Let me get my link. The link I'm going to post in the description below. It's my referral link. When you use it, you will get 1,000 naira immediately. Now you can see it. I use PiggyVest to save and invest in Glory. Sign up with my link and get 1,000 naira to start your own saving journey. Maybe you don't have any money to save, and you want to save or invest. Once you use my link, you'll be able to get 1,000 naira to start saving. Now here's my link here. Let me copy it here. We'll copy it and open our incognito tab to show you how easy the sign up process is. Now let me just paste this link here. Now here's it. Once you click on the link in the description below, you'll be taken to this page, and you just go and click on create a free account right here. And it's going to take you right here immediately. And I'm going to put your full name. I'm going to put your email address, your phone number, your password, your where it says referral code, referral phone number, or promo code. Just input okay, let me see. Let me get, I'm gonna I'm gonna leave the promo code in the description below so that you guys will or I'll going to leave my phone number in the description below so that you guys will. But if I don't leave my phone number, just leave it blank. Just leave it blank. Once you use the link, just leave it blank. Or I'm going to leave the code in the description below so that you just paste the code here, guys. So you paste the code here. Now when they ask how do you hear about us, just choose anyone at all. Just choose anyone, and you create a free account right here. It's as easy as that. And you're taking straight to this dashboard that is here. Straight to this dashboard, guys. But if you have any question, you can ask me in this comment section, in the comment section below. I'll be very quick and fast to answer you. And if you have any suggestion, you can also drop it in the comment section below so that I'll be able to, let me check this real quick. Maybe still recording. Yeah, so that I'll be able to help you in with all your questions and the rest. So guys, that's for this video. Don't forget to click in the link in the description below so that you can start your saving and investment journey. Most of you now, there's a system here. Most of you have bad spending habits. Now you don't know how to save money. Now this safe lock here is a system in which you can save your money and lock it to a specific amount of time so that you will not be able to spend it. Maybe you locked your money to in 5 days time, that you set it to 5 days. Before the 5 days reach, like until the 5 days reach, you will not be able to withdraw your money. But if you really need the money and you try to withdraw it, you'll be paying a fine of a specific amount of money. You'll be paying a fine of a specific amount of money to withdraw your money, guys. So that is right. That is it right there. It's a uh, very good platform. Now, that said, don't forget to click the link in the description below so as to take you straight to this website to register and get 1,000 naira immediately. You register with my link, guys. Really register with my link. Just click the link, put everything there, and register with my link, guys. And if you have any question, you can also email me. My email will be in the description below, and I'll be ready to help you. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you are new, and turn on post notification because I'll be dropping more videos like this. You know how to invest, save, and make money right here in Nigeria, so that you don't get scammed by all those hungry people. Get, guys. Now I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Let's